These nurses are going to be paid by the county government. We have forwarded the names. The process of payment is at its final stages at finance. They receive their money anytime from now. And that's why I'm clarifying that there's no strike in Pumwani. The government has nurses, the county government nurses who are working. Mothers are being seen. Our labor ward is ongoing. The operations as usual. These are the casuals we engage whenever we have a shortage in our duty rotas for the nurses to come and cover the gap. Payment from the government doesn't, you don't just go to the account and pay. It has to go through the process. They have to verify that those nurses really exist in Pumwani. They have worked. Everything has been verified. And right now, as we are speaking, the finance team has requested funds to pay from Treasury. They have assured us that they'll be paid before the end of this week